Hi.
Hi.
कुत्ते ले लो.
That is Jhumki. Jhumki जिसका tail कट गया. Oh no.
You want it? Good boy.
Sorry guys, these guys are gonna be part of the interview.
Because that's their house.
So we started feeding about 5 to 10 dogs outside our house first, and then during the lockdown it got really amplified because a lot of feeders got in touch, said that they couldn't reach their spots, and they were asking for help, and they were checking if we could go somewhere near
So
South
we
Delhi.
started covering one spot, it turned into 2 spots, South Delhi turned into Central Delhi, and post lockdown obviously you can't because they kind of become dependent on you, so you definitely can't wake up one morning and be like, I'm gonna stop. So we had to have.
Yeah, if some people have cardio exercises in the morning, we
have puppy feeding.
we have feeding
Yeah.
runs. That's our cardio. We name dogs really according to the characteristics that we find them on the
So
road.
we will name everyone's favorite. I think that's Lalchi Poopy.
Lalchi Poopy is one of our
She
favorites.
is our kid under Kalkaji metro station. She's this tiny nugget who will come running to you.
And she would want to eat at every spot and then
Yeah.
not eat anywhere at all.
So we have to make sure she eats because she's so lalchi. She'll end up like going nibbling on everyone's food, and at the end she gets none. So we have to like hold her still. so
Then
that-
there is Latak Matak,
yeah,
who is another
who has
favorite.
like a big booty.
And yeah, when she moves, the bum moves separately and she moves separately. So it's
That her you will find in Kalkaji depot.
Nehru Place Bus Depot.
Nehru
yes.
Place Bus
Yes.
Depot. Then we have Mean Girls Gang, our Sanchar Bhavan girls. They were
Yeah.
super tiny when we started feeding them, barely weeks, but they were so feisty. So we started calling them Mean Girls.
Yeah, they were.
And then we have Jhumki Thumki.
Yeah.
That is Jhumki. And her sister is called
Say hi.
Thumki.
Hi, Jhumki.
Because Thumki her belly would go separately and Thumki would go separately. So yeah. Then we have
Skyline.
We have
We have like 350 dogs. I mean, we want to
we can go on and on. See, one of the most common things is like ear infections and things like ticks. Like ticks is like one evil thing every rescuer or any pet parent kind of dread. Those are like tiny insects
which like latch onto your
they
body
drink
and then
their blood, they get their hemoglobin down, their
Cause a lot of
WBC goes
infections,
high.
yeah.
In fact, we have Sriracha who almost lost her eyesight. Her eye became like completely blue and she couldn't see just because of one wrong tick. So we make sure to
Yeah.
on our feeding ground, and these things can be very simply taken care by, like you have to remove them manually by help of
tweezers.
tweezer or anything, and then just like apply a basic talcum, anti-pick talcum, and
Or
that
spray
could
as well, yeah.
literally save
Save a life, yeah.
life. So
And then there are things like they get dreadlocks. Some of the furry kids have their hairs getting entangled with each other and stuff like that. So that's not a healthy thing to have, and they need to get a basic trim down.
just a cut. So actually one of our friends suggested, because initially during lockdown we were also equally lost
And clueless, yeah.
clueless, like you know. So we will be going there and looking for, oh my god, there was a starving dog yesterday, where is he now? So then one of the friends suggested, why don't you guys have a call? And then
Yeah.
Kunal came up with the Amrish Puri kaboot. So yeah, Tamanna suggested, and then we just went with it, and kids were Kaju relax. And
Kaju.
and kids were actually quite
responsive to that call. So
Now we just have to go and do and kids are like, they just appear.
Yeah.
So yeah.
that works very well.
So I think in initially beginning of lockdown, like it does take a village, and there was doggy dabbas. So we had so many litters, like almost
Yeah.
there were 60 pups newborn. And because it was lockdown, you can't find so much of puppy cereal, and it's goddamn
I
expensive.
mean, we were taking milk initially, but that's not very healthy on the
Yeah,
long
because
run.
a lot of pups are lactose intolerant, and it might end up giving them gas and
Yeah.
backfiring. So finally, there is this very cute brand called Doggy Dabba. She started supplying us protein powder.
Yeah, that was really, really helpful. And
So you just
like,
have to mix it with curd, and it's like a instant boost.
of yumminess.
And
Yeah.
all our pups, we have seen them change. We have seen like massive skin patches and everything. Like just basic good food can do such wonders. So we take like around 125 kg of chicken khichdi.
Yeah.
We make sure there are no bones in it, so that because kids are idiot, they might just choke on it. And then we mix some kennel kitchen in it. The kitchen, we get our food from Puppy Bowl. They are very sweet and considerate to give me a lot of chicken broth because winters are coming, and then pups really
Actually,
love
sorry.
chicken broth.
And then also dry dog food.
Dry dog food, yeah.
So we keep on adding that because the quantity never is enough for our feeding rounds. We have to keep on adding dry food along as we go because that adds to the crunchiness also to the food
Yeah.
for a certain value as well. And plus that, plus soup.
Yeah, and there
everything
is some
mixed together.
necessary nutrition which is there in dog food, so why
Yeah,
should
yeah.
kids miss on it? This is Savannah. She had not a single hair on her body just 2 months back.
Like, what do you say?
And there is this really darling rescuer. She rescued, and we are fostering her just for her. And she was like, the doctor was like, there is nothing much, it's just worms and malnourishment. Nobody has fed her ever. And like in just 2 months, you're a fluffy. So yeah, like good food does wonders.
That's true.
Do it.
I think the world can only go ahead with the idea of coexisting and compassion, and it's just
And I
a
think
very normal thing to even
Yeah,
think
like-
about. That
We often wonder if when we weren't doing this, what were we doing? Right. Because you only have certain work hours, you only have certain chill time, you only have certain Netflix time. So, like after a point, like what are you going to do with yourself if not health? Over the time, we have seen people become so sensitive, like the same bhaiyas who never, or guardwalas who never gave a damn about the kids in 5 months prior. Now they themselves, they're like cleaning the bowls because they know like dogs respond in certain way. So if you have a pet, or if you know how interacting with an
I think
animal is,
again, that's where we come back to coexisting because. Hello, can you coexist over here?
Jujinder. So yeah.
Thank you
Also-
so much, DC Toli, for collaborating with us.
And like coming super early with us to feed our kids, meet our kids, give them out treats. It like means a lot to us and to our kids also to get some more human pets. And yeah, here's like super
Some puppy luck for your next
Yeah.
matches. Yay!